AZ88165 Dry Ice Data Logger. Dry Ice Logger, Alarm Limit Sticker, Sling and Manual are included. Prepare an identification tag to give each logger a readable ID. If alarm reminder is required, write it on provided sticker and attach to logger. A computer or laptop for logging configuration. No need to download or install any driver and application to computer. Plug the logger into the USB port of computer. The green LED will be turned on while logger is connected. The logger is recognized as a CD-ROM. Choose the configuration function. If the toolbox is a gray out, it means the USB port of computer is locked. Please use laptop. There are 6 languages. The default is English. 6 main programmable functions. 1. Select the sampling rate. 30 seconds rate can give this logger a more than 16 days recording time. 2. Start delay. Program it while you want to record the first reading some minutes after the recording function is activated. 3. Select the temperature unit that you prefer to read on report. 4. Password. This feature can give logger a password if you don't want it to be read out or reconfig without your permission. 5. Company name. Give the generated report a company name or a logger ID on the letterhead. 6. Free alarm mode. Disable single event or cumulative event. Single means one single out-of-range event can trigger the alarm immediately. Cumulative means the alarm will only be triggered while the average value during alarm delay duration exceeds the threshold. Alarm delay. Choose a value between 5 minutes to 2 hours if the alarm mode is cumulative. Alarm limit. Alarm is triggered while the measured value is below the lower threshold or higher the upper threshold. To know how many records are used from beginning till current time, just check it from the number provided in this gray-out column. Even the record number is over than 1 million times, you still can use this logger till the low battery red LED light up. Once you completing the setting, be sure to press save to store all the setting. Close the window and remove the logger. Put back the logger cover to keep the logger waterproof. After configuration, activate the recording within 30 minutes or the logger will sleep again to save battery power. Press go button for 5 seconds till red LEDs flash in sequence 3 times. The green LED blink every 10 seconds during the recording status. If battery power is too low, red LED blinks. To place a bookmark, press mark button for 5 seconds till the red LEDs flash in sequence. Place the logger into the dry ice transportation box you prepared. The required dry ice is dependent on sample weight and transportation time. Don't completely seal the transportation box. Consult your transportation provider or run a trial testing ahead to ensure the dry ice is enough. Press go button for 5 seconds till red LEDs flash in sequence to stop the logging. Plugging logger into PC USB port can stop the logging as well. Open the toolbox. Choose Convert to PDF or Convert to Excel to generate the report. Select the location and enter the file name to save the generated report. The recorded raw data will be kept in logger and only be overwritten when a new recording trip is started. The generated PDF report contains the detail and easy understanding graph. The generated CSV report contains the details to simplify your analysis work. Use the logger one more time for a new trip. Connect to PC to config again and then long press go button to start.